Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexisjayda and welcome. So today's video, I'm going to be testing out the new J.Cat Beauty liquid highlighters and their makeup primer spray in Rose and Jasmine. I did open this earlier because I was trying to film. I had technical difficulties, but I'm here again. The Jasmine scent smells so good. I don't know why I sprayed it, like if you guys can smell it, but it smells so good. So I wanted to do a video using the liquid highlighters. So first, let's go in and prep our skin. So I will be using my Too Faced Hangover primer. I know I'm going to be using the makeup spray as a primer, but I need some hydration on my face because skin can get dry. I'm gonna apply this on my face, forehead. I'm going in with my Maybelline Baby Skin to hide my pores. Gonna work that in. Okay, so now going in and using the J.Cat Makeup Primer Spray. This is in Jasmine. It smells so good, you guys. Wonder how the rose smells. Rose or Jasmine? I'd say go for Jasmine because Jasmine smells so good. Okay, so these do say that we can mix them with our foundations to give us a woo look. So I will be mixing Moonlight and my foundations. I want to mix my Maybelline 24-Hour Stay and my Urban Decay All Nighter. Let me just go in and mix this in. So first, let's see how this is going to be, or you know, you never know. Just one drop. We don't want to be looking like a disco ball here. Then we're just going to mix it. I'll add another little drop. Okay, I'm just going to apply this all over my face and blend this in. So to contour, we'll be using my J.Cat Beauty Contour Quad. I will be picking up this shade right here and this one. Okay, so now going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Medium. I'm just trying to do all of this before we add more of the highlight. I'm going in with my Makeup Shack T29. This is a favorite, you guys. If you guys want to get a really nice blending brush for either for cream or even powder, I highly recommend this one. It is so good. Again, it's a T29. I love it. It's amazing, you guys. It really is. Okay, so now I'm going to add the highlighters. So I'm going to be mixing in White Goddess to the back of this. Goddess. Just like 2 drops, nothing too crazy. And then going in with Moonlight, 2 drops as well. There it is right there. I'm just going to kind of rub those two together. You won't be able to see it on here, like the finish of it. A little goes a long way, so there's no way in hell a bit that you guys will run out of this. So I'm gonna go in very lightly, just like this. Oh, that is so pretty. Just like that. And then go in with my Beauty Blender just to blend it in my skin, melt it. So you don't wanna see my finger marks. Like it's not a cute look. You can even go like this and just add it like that. Cause it almost feels like it wants to melt down to a powder. Now on this side, oh dang, got some more. Oh, that is so pretty. Like, can you guys see it? Ah, I hope you guys can. It's so pretty. Like, I hope you guys can really see it. So I'm just gonna go like this, rub it again, and put it where I normally would highlight. So like my Cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, So you guys see that? Like, it gives your face a really pretty, like, luminous finish. Woo-hoo-hoo. So I think these are really, really nice. I love how a little goes a long way. And the colors that I got, I think are pretty nice. Like, I don't know how to explain it to you guys. Like, you just keep rubbing, and it kind of wants to go to like a powdery finish, but it's not like a drying powder. It's like a silky, smooth finish. I don't know how to describe it. The two that I would recommend to get, if you like those goldish, yellowish, highlighters, I would get White Goddess and Moonlight. These two together are beautiful. I love them. I love them. If you are in the deeper complexion, I would even pick up Moonlight and Twilight. Mix these two together. Very beautiful. Or even alone. But I think that would be very, very nice. And for the lighter tones, Bella Rose and White Goddess are going to be so, so beautiful on you. I did like the shade Bella Rose, but I feel like I just don't got it to pull it off. It's very pretty. It's like a really unique shade. But I can't pull off pink purple highlight. Like, I just can't. I feel like it would just look very obvious on my face, or maybe for photo purposes, you know, that kind of thing. Do I recommend the liquid highlighters? Heck yes. Check them out, you guys. Very affordable. You guys know I love using liquid highlighters on top of my foundation, under my foundation. You guys have seen me play with the Temp 2 Boxy Charm, the Peter Thomas 24 Karat Gold, the L'Oreal Magic Lumi, the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Radiance. You guys have seen me play around with these because I absolutely love them. So I am very excited to add this into my collection as well. As for the makeup primer spray, this is Jasmine. I can't get over the smell, you guys. Like, I'm not going to spray it. I'm just going to smell it. It smells so freaking good, and I can see myself using this a lot. Look at how it looks, you guys, and I haven't even added a highlighter on top. Like, just boom. I bet you if we do, it'll make it even pop even more. Let's do that. And their highlighters are so beautiful as well. They're powder highlighters. So I will be using the J.Cat Beauty You Glow Girl, and this is in the shade Twilight. I'm just going to grab some of that, and we'll do it on this one. You guys see that? Okay, here we go. Oh, that looks so pretty. Like, look at it. Let me just add a little bit over here. Like, I like it solo, but now since I applied the highlighter, let's just see. Like, look at that, you guys. It's just like, boom, shining. That's so pretty. So you guys see that? Made the highlight even pop even more. So that's what I like about liquid highlighters. You can just, there's so much you can do to them. Add them to your primer, your foundation, put them all over your body, add them in lotion, put them on top of your foundation to act as a base for your highlight. There's just a lot that you can do, and I'm like, where can I put it? Where else? You guys know what I'm saying. They're very, very nice. So do I recommend them? Yes. Give them a try. They are really, really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to keep updated with my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. So this one is Moonlight, and a little bit does go a long way. Here is Moonlight. Very beautiful. Look at that. Here is Twilight. And this one is Twilight. This one is White. Here is White. And here is Bella Rose. There's Bella Rose. Okay, so I'm going to show you one drop on the back of my hand. I'm telling you guys, a lot comes out if you just on your face. So just play it safe, do it on the back of your hand, and I'm going to show you guys how pretty this looks. So this is Moonlight. This one is a White Goddess. Oh, it's so pretty. This one is Twilight. And this one is Bella Rose. Here's the 4 shades up close. So we have Twilight, we have Moonlight, we have White Goddess, and Bella Rose. They're extremely pigmented, like I told you guys. Very, very pigmented. One drop goes a long way. they are extremely pigmented. It's freaking crazy. I highly recommend them.